Can you trade in a simulated trading environment and earn real rewards? Yes, you can with Hola Prime. We provide traders with significant demo funds and a huge opportunity to earn real rewards. No need to worry about potential losses or risks. Just focus on trading with your profitable strategies. We offer 4 distinct account types to match your trading style and goals: 2-step Pro and Prime accounts, 1-step Pro and Prime accounts. Our trading rules are fully transparent and easy to understand. There are no hidden conditions or surprises. Transparency isn't just a promise, it's our way of doing business. We provide daily price transparency reports to verify price feed accuracy, so you always know you're getting a fair and accurate deal. Plus, we offer 1-hour payouts. Take your rewards whenever you want. Our customer service operates 24/7, ensuring immediate responses to your queries. With Hola Prime, there are no unfair account breaches. We send risk alerts whenever a trader is about to breach the account due to the violation of prohibited trading practices. And the best part, you can scale your account up to $4 million. Join us today.